So how does lung cancer start? Some people wonder this because they may have never smoked in their life. They may have not been around a lot of pollution or radon, and they just don't know how it starts. Well, most oftentimes it happens to be cells that just, basically took up shop in the lungs instead of the breast or the prostate or the colon. But cancer is a disease of rapidly growing cells. They are normal cells gone bad. Of course, risk factors such as tobacco smoke has over 50 chemicals that can cause cancer, but carbon monoxide is the biggest one. Actually, the latest campaign called the realcost.org, or the Real Cost, by the FDA actually has identified 7,000 chemicals in a single puff of cancer smoke. Secondhand smoke, of course, inhaling other people's tobacco smoke can cause cancer, is related to is a high risk factor. Age, the older we get, the more susceptible to cancer we can become, because we all have oncogenes within our bodies, and then which are cancer genes. We also have suppressor genes, which are genes that turn off the oncogenes. And as we get older, those suppressor genes are less effective. Family history, same kind of concept as we age. It's a lot of cancer tends to be familial. So if your parents had cancer, if your grandparents had cancer, chances are that you're at a higher risk for having cancer as well. Infectious diseases or any other kind of chronic disease, whenever the lungs cancer loves weakened tissue. So whenever you have multiple infections, or that tissue is vulnerable, and cancer likes to go to areas that are vulnerable. Cancer spread. How does this occur? The cancer cells break away from the primary tumor site and form new cells. They travel through the blood system of the lung to nearby parts of the body. And you can find this in parts 1 and 2 of the booklet.